Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the method trading. So, friends, if you watch my last video, which I published yesterday, in that video, it was almost confirmed. And if you watch my video carefully, so I said that the many people on the social media platform saying that Dow Jones crash, American market crash, and ABCD, right? So, what I said, it's not that American market crashed because of this rate hike and they wanted to take down inflations. So it's not compulsory that the Indian market behavior will be the same, right? One thing was crystal clear that market going to have the gap down opening. It was clear, but the market will open gap down and will go gap down. It was completely not clear, and I was not in this support of theory, right? These thoughts belongs to the many of the people. I'm not here to criticize anybody else, but what I'm saying that based on this chart that the market looks really good, and I said it, and also I discussed it on the monthly chart. If you have watched my video on the weekly chart, and I said that the pattern this time trend pattern of this time trend is look completely different than what the market when respected this 80,000 level, right? That was a completely different perspective than this. So this happened today, friend. This happened, and we can see here market open almost. It was in the beginning it was showing almost 2% in the pre-opening market session, but at the opening time it was almost 1.5% in Nifty, and then it's started recovering and almost recovered, and bank Nifty even went up 1.5% approx. So this is the how market we have. The first thing, second thing, so I say that whenever you see, friends, whenever you see these types of gap down or gap up opening, mark this methodology that you are going to behave opposite of this market. Whenever it's open gap down, especially this much of the gap down, right, the 80-85% chances is going with the market will slightly recover. Why it is so? Because those who have sorted market at this place, they are in the good profit, and they will start book profit, right? Because they are almost, if you see, friends, if you see here, they are almost in the 800 point profit. So they will start booking profit, and the grip of the sellers will be weaker. So the second things which happen, the CE price will reduce sharply, and the buyer will start buying at this level. The seller are booking their profit, happy to exit the market, and buyers are buying because the prices of this premium is which is very low will take advantage, and buyer will be aggressive here. So the market will recover from this is the logic. It's work from the both side, gap up or gap down. So always work with this platform, sorry, theory, and it will help you. I'm saying whenever you see the bigger gap down, when the gap up opening or gap down opening will be the larger, the probability of working this thought will be more larger. So this is the fundamental which happened in the today market. So thank you so much for giving response to my last video. It performed really well. So let's discuss market for the tomorrow. Now we have seen the very good breakout trend here, especially in the bank Nifty, right? And the second point is that the foreign institutional investors are really happy and they are loving Indian market, right? So whenever you see this set of the aggressive bull candle, it's indicate one thing. The first thing is that the market is not going for downward. The second is that although market have given already a big rally, the probability will be the sideways market. What if the market is not going to be the sideways? Tomorrow is also expiry, so we can, so we have expiry. So what will be the, I'm saying what will be the market behavior after this set of market working, right? So it is possible markets open bit gap down, so it can develop one space here of 300 point 200 point and go 200 300 point up. So the total run will be the 500 point. This is going to be the very important, and the 41,800 is going to be the really important target for the tomorrow. This is one thing. The second one thing is that if it is not opening gap down, friends, if it is opening at the price level, that is this, let me see one thing, let me explain. So if it is not opening gap down, right, so there is a probability that the market is going to be this strongly bullish for tomorrow also. Why it is so, and what are the level that is important for the market? This is the level. If you see, if you will observe this, market have worked here almost 1 hour. Market have worked in this area. So this is going to be the very much important level, right? This is going to be the very much important. So after this, the market is going to be the strong, right? The market is going to be the strong. So I hope you are getting this point. So respect this level, right? If you will understand this point, it is going to help you. So above this level, whenever you see market at this 41,400 point 400 above, so go for the buying. Whenever you see market below this 41,300 to 50, so wait for the market, because the downside, the target will be almost 40,000 for the, for sorry, 41,000 for the tomorrow. With this, thank you so much. Keep supporting this theory thought. Thank you so much for your support.